Yes.
Okay, so this should change the price now, right? And the price shows up. And if we go back to the home, and then if we click on a product, and then add one, add to cart, click to cart. So it should be there, and it's now adding the total, right? So I can give you this code. The next thing is to work on the delete. I'm still trying to figure out the best way to do the delete. I think what you can do is select this element that has a class of cart, and
Mm.
that would be like document dot get element by class name cart. So it like shows up there, and then I think you can like dot add event.
You mean cut or delete?
Uh, so we want to select the whole cart, and then we want to add an event listener on the whole cart, and
Mhm.
and then this will be like the callback function. And then and then console dot log dot target. So, oh, you can't add an event listener. So I think it's documents dot get element, my class name. It's not a function. Document get elements by class name cart. So when we opened it up, it was the collection, and then it was like 0, right? So let's see if this works. Oh, get element by, that's not, it's get elements by class name. Okay, so that works. So now if I click, okay, yeah, and I get back, this is the target. But maybe if we just log out and then I click here. Okay, so I get back the click. So if you notice, I clicked here and then it returned, it logged out E. So this you would put in your code, right? You could put in the cart.js file, this code. And then when I open it up, um, it should say, this is where we clicked. But now what we want to do, right, is we want to go up to this, keep going up, this article and delete that.
Yeah.
So this
I
is an ancestor. Oh, go ahead. You were going to ask a question.
Yeah, like you said, like we go move up to traverse to the article, like I did it. It's like I put the you gonna use the close method, right? Close set method, right?
Yeah, I'd have to double check, but let me see. This is the code, right? So you're saying,
I have the new one I just did today. It's like I can delete it, but inside the local storage, I cannot delete it because like not I'm not sure how to identify about the ID and color.
oh, okay. So you were able to get it to delete, but now the issue is getting it to go remove from local storage.
Yes.
So a way to do that would be like if we go here and we go to local storage, is it in here?
Yes. Locals.
So like what you want to do is like loop through open local storage and each one has an ID. And so
Yeah.
when you go to delete the item, you see it has like an ID. And so
Yes.
you look for a match. So when you go up to the closest, you should be able to access this data dash ID property. And then with that information, you should be able to pass it to a function that's going to loop through the local storage cart and find the matching ID and then remove that whole object from local storage.
Yes. Like, did you mean that I had to do the same at like the change the quality, right? Change the quantity.
Oh, well, yeah, and right, exactly. So like the quantity you should be able to like look up inside here, in here, quantity, and then you should be able to change that number here. Um,
No, you got what I mean. That I think that like calling like the code that I just sent you. I change the quantity and then I call for local storage compare with the data ID, and then
right.
just it go change the quantity, but the quantity I don't know what's going on. That it just only the first one, only the first item only that can change, even though when I click the second one, the third one. Mm,
Okay. If you want to send me that code, I can look at it. I'll have some time today. It won't take me many days. Um, I've now gotten to know the your code better as well. Um, but yeah, because what you'd want to do is like delete this, use this ID, pass it to a function that loops through local storage, deletes it from local storage, and then when you call update cart will just use the new local storage, the updated. You know what I mean? You just pass it the cart after you've changed the cart, and then that will change this price here and this two articles here.
so did you update the code that I sent you, right? About the changing the quantity already?
Oh yeah, yeah. So like this one you should see it change quantities, right?
Yeah. Okay.
And this one too. So the next thing would be the delete, which I can do if um I'll have some time in a few hours. Like I can add this code that I was showing you because you were saying the dot closest wasn't working, right?
Yeah, can I share you a little bit my code that I did? So
Okay,
what?
yeah, sure. Let me see. I'll stop sharing and then you should be able to share now.
So did you see it?
Yeah, delete button.
Right here. I just put like this. This
Okay.
one, this one. Yeah, and then but it can remove only from the DOM, but local storage. Do you see that? Do you see it here? Something
I
wrong.
could just see, I can only see the VS Code now.
Oh, okay. Well, oh, something wrong over here. Mm, so 3, 13. Mm. 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 Yes. Okay. Cannot set the body or different. So I share screen again. So what we talking about? I forgot.
What's that?
No, I want to share again. Where is it over here?
Oh
Share
yeah.
new.
I think at the top of the screen should let you stop. And then if you click stop share and then you can share again. Yeah, there you
You see, right?
go. Yeah, I can see.
So when I delete it, just
Okay.
moving from
Okay.
this one on the DOM only, and then inside this one, it doesn't show it changing anything at all. It's supposed to be delete this one also.
Okay. So what I would do is let's go back to your code. I think I saw um
Yeah, right here.
so you're accessing the ID, right? That line 134. It looks like you have the ID.
Oh, this one, yeah, but I tried to put over here also, but it doesn't work.
So if you log out, try after line 138,
The, uh,
try logging out data item.
data item or delete item.
Delete item. Yeah, whatever that variable is 138. It's kind of hard to read for me. Yeah, that one. And then save that, and then let's go out and click on the delete to get that to log. Okay.
Yeah.
Um, and
Mm.
then let's try logging out data dash ID. So delete item, uh, but then dot data dash ID. Try
Then
not a number. Um, I think because it's a string, um, data.
it, it cannot, it's a string.
Yeah, because the ID is data dash ID.
ID is the the string. Yeah, ID is a string. Color is a string.
Yeah, I wonder why it won't. Oh, event dot target. Yeah, you should be able to like log out that. Not sure why it. We could try wrapping it in like the word number. So before the word delete inside the log,